Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to be looking at Ayin, which is a new decentralized exchange for Alephium. I'm going to show you a little bit around Ayin coin, or at least the decentralized exchange, show you some features, and just make you aware how to use it in a simple sense. But if you want a full in-depth guide, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll get on to that. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. So Ayin is the first decentralized exchange for Alephium, which is good to see because Alephium's a very small coin right now. So the fact that we have a decentralized exchange already really proves that there's at least adoption in the space and people want to build on Alephium already. So this kind of reminds me of way back when you had PancakeSwap, and that was a very small decentralized exchange, and even with Uniswap and stuff like that. I'm beginning to feel like I'm very early on, or at least anyone that's watching this video is very early on to Ayin and actually receiving rewards on this decentralized exchange. As I said, if you're early, you'll be able to really gain from using all this technology and using the decentralized exchange for providing liquidity for the decentralized exchange. So if you want to use Ayin app, it's just ayin.app. I'll leave it linked in the description if you want to go and click it through there. So all you have to do is click enter app. Now my wallet is already connected, so as you can see there, but if we click disconnect and we go back, we can enter back through, and all you have to do is click connect here. So it's going to ask you which wallet you want to use. If you just click desktop wallet and then click open Alephium, it's going to open up your wallet that's on your desktop, and then you just approve it through so it can track how much coins the wallet address has in terms of different tokens, I guess, on the Alephium network. And you can also see some of these in the actual tokens listing here. Some of them don't show up until it's verified, but I think that this showed up pretty much instantly when I was doing some of the testing. So the way that it works, kind of like any other decentralized exchange, you basically will swap Alephium for Ayin, and then you can actually stake that in to get LP tokens. So LP is a way of combining both of them. So you take the price of that Alephium coin that you minted in and the price of the Ayin coin that you minted in, and that would basically become an LP. So I'll show you quickly. We have 1 Alephium. The exchange rate right now is 1 Ayin to 13.28 Alephium. You just click swap. Once it starts swapping, you actually want to confirm it in your wallet. So as you can see there, you're trading 1 Alephium and the expected fee is down by here. You click send, and after a while it will actually update and it should show you that you've swapped into Ayin. So here we go, we can go and swap more coins, or we can just look up here, so it's got to refresh a little bit. Now from here, once you've swapped, you actually want to go into add liquidity by here. So once you're adding liquidity, you're basically taking both of these coins and you're merging it into one kind of liquidity pool, and from that you'll get liquidity pool tokens, which you can stake back in to gain more percentage. So you would basically type in like 1 ALF, whichever you want to stake there, and in return you'd have to stake this much Ayin coin. So you can add liquidity through there, you click send, and it's going to do the swap there. So once you've confirmed that and you go back, it's actually going to add liquidity and it's going to give you these LP tokens. So if we click back onto the wallet, you can see that we have 3.74 ALF and 4.99 Ayin, and then we have a plus of 0.27 ALF to Ayin. So ALF to Ayin, this is what is called in the wallet basically when you're swapping that all. That is the LP token, and the LP is available here. As you can see, we had 0.27, and then if we go back, it's 0.27 there. So what you can do here is either you can stake it, and the APR is 239% there, and then you claim rewards in the native Ayin coin. Now you can also go over to Pounder, which is at the top here, which is actually a way to compound the LP tokens. So you can gain a lot more compounding them because it will basically put the rewards back into the LP instead of actually holding the rewards to claim them at a later date. And all it does is just compound at this APY depending on how much is in liquidity and how much trading is going on the network. So I would say that pounding it is basically the best way to gain Alephium / Ayin coin. Staking it with LP is a good way as well. There's still great returns on this. I know it's very early days, so the most returns are going to be made right now. So if you're in it early, then it'll be good for you. Now with Alephium, I don't know how you would actually say this without saying Alf or Alephium. There's a higher APR, and the way that you get this Alf coin is to trade it again. So with the native Alephium coin, you can just click off Ayin, and then you can pick basically any of these coins here. Now, I've seen this one on Twitter before. I've seen Alfpaca before. I haven't seen any of these. However, if we click on Alf, you can just swap basically 1 for 1.31, and then you would provide liquidity in the same way. So you would just add liquidity, and then it would be Alf, and then Alf here, and it would give you LP tokens to basically provide liquidity to this pool. So that's basically an overall quick generalization. As I said, if you're having any problems or if you want a really full tutorial, then please let me know in the comments below. So the exchange rate right now, as you can see there, from Ayin coin to Alephium is 1 Ayin coin equals $2.57 Alephium. So there's no USD price for Ayin coin because you had to get it through the Alephium system. But right now, as you can see, we're at 4.99, so that's around $10 in Ayin coin. So that will keep increasing as well. Plus on the compounder, we have 16.837. So I believe that comes out to around $47, maybe $50, depending on, the price of Alephium and the price of Ayin at the time. Market cap of Ayin is around 800,000, which all kind of had to come from Alephium, I believe, because you had to buy the Alephium to swap it into it. So the overall market cap of basically Alephium and Ayin would be 8,200,000 plus 800,000 that we see here, so around 9 million overall. And there's other pairs down here which you can see. We've got Alf to Alephium, the Paca one to Alephium, the Berry to Alephium, and the Tail to Alephium. So very low volume on that, but obviously the highest volume is on Ayin to Alephium. Now, if you want to check out Ayin or any of the links, they have a link tree in their Twitter bio, so I'll leave that linked in the description as well. If you click on the roadmap, you can see kind of where they're going in terms of the NFT marketplace that they want to integrate into it, the game development, the potential partnerships, and the listing of new pairs and new developers. So if people are building on Alephium, smart contracts, or tokens, they would probably want to use Ayin Swap to onboard a lot of users, because that would be the main place that you get it through a decentralized exchange. Now, when it comes to just a little update on Alephium, we have the Guardian infrastructure testing going on. Final testnet bridge with full Guardian set is live. So this is for the Guardian node. So this is for the Guardian node, which has been basically in development for a while. Hopefully this onboards a lot more users onto Alephium as well, so we can see more adoption onto Ayin Swap and Alephium, and basically earn rewards from that. Alephium's price, as we saw around 7 days ago, it actually had a price increase. It was around 12 cents and now it's up to 19 cents, so a 50% increase over 7 days. Very good for Alephium, and has contributed subsequently to Ayin Swap going up as well. Basically the same chart when you're looking at a week's chart compared to this chart as well. A bit smoother on this side, but for the most part the same chart. So that was just a quick video on not really how to use Ayin Swap, just letting you guys know that there are decentralized exchanges out there for Alephium. I believe this is the first one, it might not be the last one, but there's ways to actually gain from this, because we're very early on. You get high APY or high APR, and hopefully you guys start using it. As I said, if you have any problems, please leave a comment below and I'll try help you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.